Nina Unfiltered. And tonight, I have a special guest from New Zealand. And we will be talking about a very interesting topic, how to inspire a skeptical spouse when starting with your digital business. By the way, I'm Monina. I'm a full-time corporate professional, a digital entrepreneur, and mentor. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever part of the world you're tuning in right now. Without further ado, can you please help me welcome my special guest, my high school classmate, a good friend, my mentor and digital partner, Janessa.
Yay! Good evening, Net.
Good
Good
evening.
evening to
It's so good
everyone.
to share the segment with you. Kumusta?
Ay, very good. Very happy and excited kaayo ko. Hello,
Ah, ako din.
good evening world. Good afternoon, good morning. Hi, Remay. Welcome. Mga kabayan, it's an honor for me to be here in Monina's and Monet's episode today. And I'm the most excited sa invite ni Monet. Really. First, I'm Jan, a nurse here in Auckland, New Zealand, a mom of 2 boys, and a wife, as I said before, to a one skeptical hubby who's now my 100% supporter. Yes! Happy Mom's Day! Yes.
Very good. Papa B.
Papa B, if you're listening right now.
Yeah.
Anyway, go back muna tayo sa memory lane in honor of Monet's and our friendship. Si Monette and I had gone a long way down memory lane. May mga common denominators kami. So I think we were bound to do the same life courses. Yes.
Yes. One thing I
Diba?
remember, Jan, okay,
Yes.
baka hindi nila alam, pareho tayong members ng dance troupe.
Wow. Secret lang yun.
Pero viewers, hindi ano yun ha, hindi about hip-hop and all. It's, ano nga yun?
Filipiniana, ethnic.
Pandango sa ilaw and all. Okay, magaling tayo
Diba?
dyan. Go ahead,
Okay,
Jan.
anyway, go back. Yan, high school days yun. Going back to our high school days, we were classmates. We were same class for 4 years no? Same section. Tapos, during the CAT, if you know about the Citizens Army Training, we were, I think siguro talagang fate talaga kami ni Monet na we had the same position. Diba? Alpha and Bravo.
Platoon leader. Yes!
No, Company XO. So, di ba, yung mga common things namin ni Monet. And then, little did we know na after college, we were teaching in the same university. Na we did not even bump into each other. Ako nasa nursing and si Monet nasa
School of Business and
School of
Governance.
Business.
Ateneo, yep.
Sa Ateneo. So imagine that. And then we came together now dito sa business na to. Very, di ba, a very faithful destiny and life namin ni Monet. We shared most things the same na talaga. Well, anyway, back to our episode today. Join us tonight, folks, kasi in this episode about one of the most relatable struggles dito sa digital journey na to. Ouch.
Correct.
Relate ako talaga.
Correct.
I'm 100%.
Okay.
So it's when the person you love most doesn't quite see the vision yet. Yun yung, di ba? So, I think Monet has a lot of insights on that one. Sa akin naman, we will have some eye-opening aha moments dito na parang this conversation might just be the change to your journey and your relationship for the better. Hindi siya, di ba?
Yeah.
So, magtataglish lang kami dito mga kabayan, pero pwede din magbisaya.
Pwede din, kaya parehong taga Davao.
Oo, mga bisdakya.
Yeah, anyway, himayin ko muna. Okay, ano ba yung skeptic person? A skeptic person is someone who doesn't believe something is true unless they see an evidence. Naku, ang hirap nito. Okay, in other words, they're the doubters and they need the proof before they believe. Okay, so I
Yes.
think, are you ready for the roasting, Jan? Roasting.
Ako ba maroroast o si Papa B?
Okay, anyway, some time ago, you saw an ad about a digital business opportunity. You felt excited, you felt inspired, you got interested. So, probably I would assume natakot ka din. May
Yes.
doubts ka. Maybe at some point you were also skeptical, but
Very
then
much.
you did your research, you did your due diligence, and you believe so much in the potential of the business and its platform. Bravely, you decided to take action. So, take us back to the time because I believe, okay, sinabi mo na nga, when you started, you had a skeptical spouse, a skeptical husband. Okay, Papa B, but we're okay ka na ngayon. You're in good
100%.
books now. Okay, question. Did you have a serious and honest conversation with your husband why this business matters so much to you and what it could mean for your family?
Ito lang. Okay, Net. Yes, at first, I was the skeptic one. Talagang, it took me 2 years to go back again to the same ad that I saw before. So sabi ko, baka, you have your doubts, you have your mga questions na baka scam ito or what will be the effect to me. Ito lang hanging question ko sa mga kabayan nito. Then you can answer this one at the end of this episode. What if the one who doubts you today would become yung magiging cheerleader mo tomorrow? Would you still hold back your dream? Kasi I asked that
Nice.
same question sa akin before. Na sabi ko, oh, okay, I had a skeptical hobby. Pero would I still hold back my dream para sa akin and para sa pamilya? So we will answer that throughout. So ang sa akin, initially, I was skeptic, I was doubtful, pero I chose to believe sa vision na meron ako nung time na yon, even before anyone else could see it clearly, even my husband. So to be honest, it wasn't always easy. The struggle is real, or the struggle was
I
real.
could just
So past tense
imagine,
na.
yeah.
Yeah, di ba? Parang everyday ka nagko-cope ka dun sa mental, ano tawag dyan? Hindi naman siya struggle, but it was always na
Challenge.
may question.
Yeah.
Yes, parang ganon. So, going back to your question, I had some honest conversations with Papa B. Sometimes senti pa nga siya eh. Hindi para i-convince siya, but I wanted to share my heart. I wanted to tell him na what this business really meant sa akin. And ando naman tayo, practical, di ba? It's extra income. Pero I wanted him to know na it's apart from that extra income, it's more of the freedom to breathe. Yung parang mag-slow down tayo. Kasi di ba ang natin, goal natin, Net, is to have early retirement, to enjoy life with the kids and the family. Tapos to have more moments, di ba? Kasama sila.
Correct.
Kasi ang dami nating na-miss na mga milestones dahil we were always working overtime, weekends for me. So, yun yung mga ko. And then, it was never just a side hustle. It was like parang pathway or parang doorway siya to the life na gustong-gusto ko talaga. How do you say that? Dream na dream ko talaga for the family. And I needed him to understand that because it was not just my dream. It was for the family. So at that point, hindi pa nagsisink in sa kanya. Kahit na nag-senti moments na ako or whatever, hindi pa. Loading pa siya, Net. Naglo-loading pa siya. So pero anyway, I took it na parang sabi ko, at least he was listening after that conversation.
Yeah. I could just imagine, no, yung
Diba?
challenge na yun because it's hard. As much as we would like our partners to get on board and share the same vision, like how we would like them to be aligned with, our objectives, our vision. And then
Yes.
because we all have very good intentions. It's all for the family. It's the freedom to spend more time. Especially now, John, my God, like, with our age, I mention pa yung age.
Walang numbers.
Wala
That's why I
yung
did not go back to numbers ng memory lane.
Yeah, kasi we're actually really like planning for that already.
Yes.
And then yung sana mas ma-early pa, ma-afford na natin to enjoy more time with them without having to wait that 65 retirement age.
Retirement age ko. True.
Yes, habang may strength pa tayo, may lakas pa tayo
Yes. Mm.
to enjoy life, and then
Mm.
we still have our kids kasi at some time aalis na rin sila. They will have their own lives. So habang andyan pa sana, so yun yung ating mga goal. So
Yes.
I could just imagine the struggle that you also went through. It's not
Oh
easy.
yes. Oh yes. Yes. Sabi ko, the struggle was real. Grabe.
Yeah, kasi
It's not, there's no, ano naman, there's no physical, it's not more mental, it's not emotional, pero it's just the, ano ba, yung parang guilty feeling na, oh, I have not told him anything about the business, pero I'm already delving into that. Parang I chose to just keep it, and parang silent for a while. Pero initially, net, I really wanted to surprise him with this business. Para,
oh,
di ba,
that's
then
nice.
he will see, he will get that point of view. Pero,
Yeah.
meron siyang mga qualms, meron siyang mga questions eh. Kaya, yeah, which I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
tell you later.
Actually, the skepticals, they have their own reasons. They have their own insights.
Yes,
They have
correct.
meron silang ano bang tawag dyan? Yun na nga, their own reason, their own issues
Mm,
why they are skepticals
yes.
at the
Mm,
moment.
mm.
So we also need to respect that.
Oh, yes, yes.
So it's just a matter of, the communication. Siguro time also is a factor.
Yes.
So, ano ba? Okay, ito, curious ako. When you spoke to him, ano ba yung fears and concerns niya about about itong iyong journey na ito, itong venture mo na ito, and how did you able to address them?
Ito ha, kwento ko lang to sa iyo, Net. Ha? Nakwento ko na to sa before. Pero I think makarelate din ng iba. During that time na magko-coaching call na ako, sabi ko, I will have a meeting pero I will just be in the room. Pero I never had any Zoom meetings anymore after COVID, di ba? During COVID lang naman na nagzo-Zoom. So I was supposed to be at work. Pero sabi ko, nasa room lang ako, sumilip siya. Tapos ang senyas niya ganyan, no? Cut it out, cut it out. Sabi niya ganyan. Kasi alam niya, yun na yung online business. Kasi na-mention ko nga, I'm going into an online business. Sabi niya, ganyan siya. Pero sabi ko, naisip ko, well, si Papa B had valid fears. Very valid. I know he was worried kasi baka scam siya, or he was questioning if I could handle it on top of my, di ba, clinical role. Sabi niya, baka mawindang daw ako bigla sa daming asikasuhin. Tapos he wondered kung it would take time away from the family instead of giving back to the family. Tapos minsan, ito pa, may question pa siya, Net. He would say na, the online business world is now saturated. Can you survive? 'Di ba? Yun usually yun talagang lagi niya binabalik sa akin. So, instead of getting defensive, I listened. Nakinig lang ako sa mga fears niya, sa yung mga concerns niya kasi I know he was just concerned. I honored it. Sabi mo nga, nirespeto natin yung concerns nila because I knew hindi siya against sa akin. I think he will still be my, anong tawag dyan, my comrade. He will still be my kakampi. And then because, and he just, I think ang reason lang doon is he just didn't know what I knew. Yun lang siguro. Kailangan lang sigurong explain talaga. So, ang ginawa ko, Net, I showed him proof. I walked him through the system, dahan-dahan. Slowly yan, everyday yan. Pagka nagda-drive kami going to work. Tapos,
Okay.
yes. Imbis na magkwentuhan na, kumusta, how was your day? Ikukwento ko sa kanya. So, I talked about real people na na-meet ko. Ikaw nga, na-mention ko na talaga, Monet is my business partner now. So, ganyan. So, mga mentors natin, yung mga real people na like us, na living proof na this business works. Tapos, and through it all, you know what, Net? I chose patience over pressure. Hindi ako na-pressure na pasensya lang, deep breathing lang. In and out. Sige lang, maintindihan din niya ako. Sabi ko, it wasn't about parang getting his permission, pero it was just about building his trust. to the business at sa
yes,
akin.
yes,
O,
yes.
di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
Tapos, dun sa question niya na saturated na yung market, mga ganyan, sabi ko, hindi. All the more siya nagko-question. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, okay, tama ka, saturated na nga ang online world, pero yung saturation doesn't mean there's no space. May space pa
True.
tayo. Sabi
Yeah.
ko, it means lang na there is a demand. Sabi ko kasi, sino ba ngayon ang hindi nag-online? 'Di ba? People are going online every day for looking for connections, for solutions or opportunities. So sabi ko, ang truth diyan is marami na tayo. Pero and everyone shows up, pero not everyone shows up with a heart.
Correct.
Diba?
Yes,
Consistency
yes,
at saka
true.
may purpose tayo. Kaya
Yeah.
doon na naintindihan na, okay, saturated, pero kayo iba yung inyong goal, iba yung inyong mga why, iba yung inyong system. So sabi ko, hindi naman ako nandito para makipag-compete sa noise ng online world. I'm here to connect with people who are like me, mga nanay, mga simpleng tao na
Correct.
may dreams, di ba? Parehas
Yes.
tayo net, ganyan tayo nung ni Man. So I'm not trying to survive in this space. I'm building my own space. Yun ang
Correct.
in-explain ko talaga
Yeah.
lagi sa kanya. Sabi ko na merong system, merong mentors, may
Yeah.
coaches, and merong mission at saka goal.
Yes.
Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, hindi naman ikaw kailangan yung maging maingay ka sa online world eh. Maging real ka lang, maging genuine ka and consistent.
True.
And sabi ko, di ba, that's how we survive naman siguro net, di ba, throughout this time?
Yeah.
That's how we thrive.
And besides, we always, part of my prayer is always for the Lord to bring me the right people.
Yes.
Ayoko nang sobrang dami na nai-stress naman. I just need the right people dyan.
Correct. True. And
Yeah.
with that saying net na it goes to say na you are the right people, the right person din, the genuine person on, di ba, sa nakaharap sa kanila. That's why they come to you.
Yes,
Diba?
exactly. Kasi we want to be genuine and then we want them to be genuine to us as well.
Exactly. True.
And then if para mas madaling katrabaho, mas magaan yung mundo. And going back to the what you said about this, the digital space is so huge. We will have a space. Everyone will have a space in it. Tama, correct.
That's true. That's very, very true, bitaw. Bitaw na Bisaya.
Bitaw.
Bisaya na. Oh, it's huge. It's very big. There's always space there for anyone.
Yeah.
Basta lang, as long as you are correct, you're the real person, you connect with others, and you stay consistent. At saka, yun lang, showing up every day.
Yes.
Will show them na you are the correct one to connect with as well.
Correct. Because, okay, this is a real business, di ba? Real business ito. For some people, they would ask, bakit ganun? Bakit kailangan ganito? Bakit may kailangan ko mag-invest?
Yes.
This is a real business. So in any form of business, there's an investment involved. There's an outlay. So otherwise, if you're not willing to invest into something, I'm pretty sure ayaw mo rin mag-exert ng effort. Kasi like, you have nothing to lose anyway.
That's true. Correct.
Diba?
Correct. That's right.
So the investment comes with the commitment. So nag-invest ka and then you're committed to make it work. So yun.
Right. Yeah, kasi if they just lay it out to you like that na free without any investment of time or money, you would not exert effort, di ba? Kasi ano na naman siya, free naman siya. Whether
Yes.
mag-work out siya for me or not, I wouldn't care, di ba?
Exactly.
Yeah. So
anyway, Jan,
Yes.
so nakuha ko yung way kung paano mo nakausap na inspire si Bong.
Papa B.
Yes, Papa B.
Yes.
So it wasn't really like, it wasn't easy.
No, it was not talaga.
Yeah.
It was not.
It was a journey as well. So dalawang journey na yung tinatahak mo because you're into your digital business journey and you have this journey with your skeptical husband at that time. So you were showing consistent action, and were you like sharing your big and small wins with him para ma-build yung trust niya talaga, and he will align in your vision?
Yeah, well, initially hindi. 'Di ba, I had to keep it to myself. 'Di ba, ang hirap mag-ano, ang hirap pigilan ang joy, 'di ba, Net? So
Yes.
sabi ko nga, I would do the Zoom, ang mga Zoom meetings natin, or I would do the initial meetings with or calls with my mentor and the coach in a room. So oblivious siya sa mga happenings na ano, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Ano siya, ano tawag, inosente, hindi ko sabing ignorant. First, I kept everything to myself. Tapos I was always bursting sa joy ko nga with from the little wins, yung new leads, mga curious na mga messages, mga good conversations with you. Sabi ko with my mentor, Annalyn, and wala akong outlet. And kasi he didn't know yet. Tapos
Yes.
eventually, nung nag-slowly open up ako sa kanya, Net, and casually mentioning na, okay, Monet's now my business partner. Sabi ko, okay, proud na proud. And I think something clicked. And maybe, alam mo ito, Net, maybe, I don't know if you know this, maybe it was his quiet chika with Tito Gary.
Yes.
Yes, that made him see the other side. Parang maybe it was also seeing me how I genuinely light up pag merong mga wins at saka mga joys natin sa business natin. So, and then he looked at me one day and said, sabi niya, wala rin naman akong magagawa. Basta nakikita ko masaya ka dyan, Nax.
Oh,
diba?
see?
Oh, thanks to Tito Gary din, ha. Ang alala ko
Actually, Jan,
ha?
yung nakita tayo dito. When you went to Melbourne for the
Yes.
convention, okay, ewan ko, saan ka ba, naglaag-laag ka pa, somewhere. Tapos, na-meet namin na una si Bong, kaysa sa iyo.
Kami nila Latimares.
Yeah, so doon kami nag-meet up sa DFO. So, but anyway, we were talking already, he was opening up, so may ganong-ganong pa siya, blah, 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 and then,
yes.
I just told him, you know what, Bong, okay, nangyari yun, but remember, Jan has all the good intentions.
Oh, thanks to you.
Yeah, hindi niya probably nasabi straight away at the start because she would have her reasons why, and you would have your reason why you were not on board at the start straight away. But know that lahat ng ginawa ni Jan are with good intention. It's for the family. So yun, parang
enlightened siya.
Yeah. so si Gary naman, second demotion and also wala na, touch move na siya talaga.
Yes. Excited pa siya, di ba, Net? Supportive ever.
Yeah. Actually, I could see him really like nag-turn around talaga dyan, di ba? Photographer mo na siya, videographer, director pa.
Yeah. For him to come with me sa Melbourne during our convention, it was something, it meant a lot sa akin na he was supportive na all the way. Kasi parang 50-50, 60-40, ganun siya ba? Tapos naalala ko nga, sabi pa ni Gary sa kanya nung time na yon na nagano siya, sabi pa nga ni Gary, okay lang Dre, suportahan na lang natin sila. Sorry, ni Tito Gary. So that was the beginning of his support na I stopped trying to sell the business na sa kanya. So, nag-stay na lang ako consistent, di ba, sa ating mga results, mga ganyan. So, I let the results and yung nakikita niyang saya ko and joy speak for me.
Oh, that's nice.
Tapos pagka may mga Zoom meetings na tayo, siya pa excited, di ba may meeting kayo ngayon? So, nag-start na siya mag-listen sa mga mga meetings. Tapos nakikita na yung mga appreciation posts. Tapos nakikita na yung mga laughter, tawanan natin during our chat.
Alam mo dyan, nagsisend na rin siya sa amin ng mga reels na ipapagawa niya sa atin.
Oo.
He's really so involved and that's good.
Yes. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, di ba, he is in it to win it.
Yes. So ako naman sa part ko, I'm just really so thankful because from the start, on board na agad si Gary.
Yes.
So when I saw you posting, I got curious. So
Yes.
na-curious ako, ano ba itong ginagawa ni Janessa? Because actually, Jan, prior to that, I was really looking for something to do na. So, kasi for a long, long time, given my, alam mo naman yung aking health history,
Yes.
I really stayed away from stressors. So, ayoko talaga ma-stress. Talagang
Correct.
kinordon ko yung sarili ko na if it has nothing to do with me, if it doesn't concern me, I will not get involved.
Ay, very good, very good.
Oo, para hindi talaga ako ma-stress. Kahit sa workplace namin, they
Mm.
know, everyone knows na talagang wag natin i-stress. Nina kasi ako sa work. Wag natin i-stress si Nina and all. And I appreciate them for doing that. So, consciously, I do that to myself. But then, thank God, I'm very well already. So I thought to myself, I think I'm ready to do something. And then,
Yes.
parang inisip ko nga, meron bang ibang paraan na sana makapag-early retire? But
Mm.
I wanted to do something that can be done alongside my 9 to 5. So,
Yes.
so naghahanap ako ng mga, pinag-aralan ko yung ano yung mga dropshipping and all. Nothing wrong with them, but mukhang hindi
Yes.
ko kaya. Mas
Mm.
matrabaho ko yata.
Yes.
So I was even asking my kids, sabi ko, ano ba ito? Bakit ito sila? May nakikita ako mga post ng iba. Bakit sila ganito? Bakit successful? Bakit ang dami-dami nilang kinikita? How do they do this? And then my son would say, Mikey would say, oh mom, that's this one. Oh, hindi ko kaya yan. Ayoko ng mga ganyan. Gusto ko yung something na hindi naman ganun ka ano, ka like stressful to do. So
Yes.
anyway, when I saw you post something about, na-curious ako, ano itong ginagawa ni Janessa, ha? And
Yeah.
then, and then I think in a matter of just 1 month, I saw you post something again. Yung nag-click na talaga sa akin. And then, you remember I messaged you, ano yung racket
Yes.
mo dyan? Ano yung racket mo dyan?
Totoo. Yes.
Tapos yun, shinare mo sa akin. I think you just asked for my email address and then that's it.
That's it. Oo.
I watched coming from home. I finished work at 4 o'clock, and then I was having my early dinner here. I watched the webinar straight away.
Yes. Mm.
And then, oh my God, this is so exciting. And then there's the next stage is I have to pay the 149, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Inisip ko, 149. Anyway, randomly, I just go to the shopping center and buy clothes.
Yes.
Make up $200. I can just splurge things. Sabi ko, nothing to lose. Okay, I'll pay the 149 straight away.
Diba? Sabi ko nga din sa'yo na, Net, this is legit kasi I will not put my face there in
Yes.
front of the,
I know,
the
I
camera.
trusted you because,
Yes. Sabi ko.
hindi pwedeng ganun.
Oo.
So, anyway, I paid the 149 straight away. I watched the videos
Yes.
right there and then. It became more interesting for me. I was just like really, I was already wanting to do the business. I decided to, but kailangan ko pang kausapin si Gary anyway.
Yes.
Sabi ko, okay, I'll sleep on this tonight. If I'll still be thinking about this tomorrow, then that might be a sign. I really need to talk to Gary. Okay. The following day, coming from work, nasa utak ko pa rin siya dyan.
Napasmile lang ako kasi I could imagine you before na, di ba?
I know. And then sabi ko, I think that's exactly the one I was looking for. So dumating si Gary. So kunyari nagdrama-drama yung mukha ko, ha? He knows me too well, John. Pag iba
Yes,
yung
yes.
anya ng mukha ko, bakit ganyan yung mukha mo? Sabi ko, hindi kasi napanood ko yung video, talagang it's really nice. I think it's a potential. Sabi ko, gusto ko siyang gawin. So what's the problem? Sabi ko na, kasi ganito, I have to invest this, blah, 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 blah. Sabi niya, nag-research ka na. Sabi ko, nag-research na ako. Pinanood ko yun. Pinanood ko yung video. Si Janessa, andyan na rin, no? So, dalawa na kami nag-research nito. Sabi niya, then you do it. Sabi ko,
Imagine.
Sabi ko na, pero sabi niya, it's okay. I'll find a way. You just sign up and do it.
Ay, very good,
Good
no?
Lord,
Imagine.
kaya nga, kinabukasan, I was trying to book for a coaching call because of the
Yes.
time zone na delay.
Yes,
But,
yes.
oh my God, if I had a chance to have the coaching call the following day, ora-orada na yun dyan. Maybe 3 days, I'm in.
Yes.
So that's how I truly believed in
I
it
could still
before.
remember yung that you were parang doubting, not doubting the the capacity to pay or to invest, pero you're doubting na kaya ko kaya yan na humarap sa camera, kaya ko kaya na,
Yun ang
diba?
ating,
Sabi ko,
yun,
ikaw pa
yun.
din. Oh my
Kasi
gosh.
when I had the coaching call, the coach was telling me, okay, it discussed to me na magiging artista ka na. At one point, sabi ko, my God, maarte lang ako pero hindi pa ako artista.
Diba?
But then
Look at
ngayon,
you.
kumapal na yung mukha ko dyan. Nagiging confident na ako.
Yes.
Dahan-dahan. Because we also have the training on how to do it. For those, for our viewers na medyo ganyan din yung issues, no, I can't face the camera. I can't talk on the in front of the camera.
Yes.
I was once there, my God. Okay. Feeling ko lang maarte ako pero hindi ako nakakapagsalita in front. But then we have a training on how to do it, like slowly i-build yung confidence mo hanggang sa talagang kumapal na yung mukha. So, who would have
Pero
thought,
para sa dream yan, di ba, Net?
yeah, for the dreams,
Oh,
okay?
for the dreams,
Yun yung sinasabi namin, we step out of our comfort zone because we have dreams to achieve, and this is for our family. So
Because
you have a
if you
strong,
don't,
yes,
di ba, if you don't, that's the growth na appreciate ko talaga now. Sabi ko, I was not very much into social media posting. Sabi nga ni Papa Bong sa akin, hindi ka nga nagsi-selfie mag-isa mo. Ngayon, nag-video ka na. Para
Ay,
ganun,
John,
diba?
you know what made me really like na convince mo ako somehow is because okay, that's true. Hindi ka talaga, you were never posting on social media, on Facebook.
Oh.
But then all of a sudden, nakita ko na si Janessa. Pero marampa na. So,
diba? Kung kaya mo.
This must really be worth doing those things that like stepping out of your comfort zone.
Yes.
And it's true. Actually, I believe so. So who would have thought I'll be going live on Facebook?
Look at us now, di ba?
But true, guys, for our viewers, this is really worth exploring. If you have dreams, don't give up on your dreams. Marami pa tayong pwedeng gawin, especially at this time. Ang dami-daming mga pwede natin explore. All you have to do is like take the first step and then trust yourself. And then, we have a training. Ay, naku, kompleto kami ng training. Huwag kayo mag-alala.
Yun nga we've grown so much. We've grown so much. We've learned a lot. Parang sa mga, 'di ba, sa mga pioneers, doon tayo nag-learn net. Tapos parang on our own, parang nakita din natin na yung faith natin sa sarili natin at sa faith natin sa dreams natin ay go lang.
Yes.
Every day.
Exactly. And then it becomes part of you. It just comes out naturally.
Yes, correct.
Like sinasabi natin, I don't have time to do that. I'm working full time. Yeah, full time din kaya kami. Oh my God, every day. But still, we find time to do whatever needs to be done because meron kaming vision, and we are really like, where we have a strong faith, determination to achieve kung ano man yung goals and dreams na meron kami. And I'm pretty sure magagawa nyo rin yun.
Ay, very much, very much. Parehas lang namin kayo. We're real people like you. Simpleng tao with mga pangarap. Yun lang yun.
Correct. So do you think, Jan, involving Papa Bong here, and like in your small decisions or updating him, actually mas updated na siya ngayon, no? helps him feel like he's already so much involved rather than someone looking from outside or like just a bystander or stranger.
Now? Oh,
Yes.
yes. Not yes na yes now. Sabi ko ganyan. Parang, out of that, out of yung conversations namin na nagiging, parang it became now a part of our everyday rhythm
Oh,
ng
that's
conversations na
nice.
yon. Oo,
Yeah.
siya pa yung mag-open up, siya pa yung, oh, kumusta na itong ganito? Akala ko merong nagkumontak sa'yo from ganyan, ganyan. So, sa akin, it is something beautiful na nangyari talaga. Parang naging curious siya sa mga videos ko. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, at first, confused siya. Sabi niya, ikaw magbi-video? Hindi ka nga nagsiselfie? Sabi niya ganyan. Tapos, tumawa na lang ako. Sabi ko, kikita ito. Kasi ang feeling niya, no, nagva-vlog lang ako. Kikita ito, promise. Sabi ko, tignan mo. Sabi ko, ganyan. Tapos, yung later on, alam mo, nangyari na, nakita mo naman, we were filming together na. So, kasama na siya, magsasuggest na siya ng angles, ng mga shots, mga
Yeah, that's
effects. Sabi
nice.
niya, oo. So, what started na nakataas ang kilay niya noon has now turned into mga kantsawa na namin, nagigigil-gigil. Tapos, ngayon, full on ang collaboration.
Oh, nice.
Di ba sa'yo nga, nagsuggest na siya kung ano pwedeng i-ano niya, di ba? So, ngayon, nagiging photographer ko na siya. Siya na yung director ko. Siya na yung tagahawak ng camera. Sabi po nga niya sabi niya, oh, di ba ako mag-a-appear dyan? Sabi ko, oh, one day. Appear ka na. So, ang nangyari nun, he helped me, ngayon nangyayari, he helps me choose what to post. Parang tinatanong ko siya, oh, nagre-resonate ba to sa'yo? May effect ba to sa'yo itong sasabihin ko nga ito, yung statement ko na ganito? May dating ba sa'yo to? Tapos sabi ko, tapos pagka merong mga good news sa results natin, sa mga natin, sa perks natin sa business, siya na ngayon ang una-una kong tinatakbuhan net.
Oh,
He's the
wow,
first
nice.
one I run to
Yeah.
ngayon talaga. Sabi ko
Oh,
yung,
that's
alam mo,
nice.
yes, yung may shift talaga from doubt to involvement
See,
ng
imagine the
spouse.
patience, your patience paid off. And then, yung proper communication actually is
Yes.
really helps a lot.
Which at first sabi ko, hindi muna i-communicate kasi nga iso-surprise ko siya. Pero later on, parang nag-develop into more, di ba, confusion sa part niya. So, pero sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung shift na yun ng doubt to involvement did not happen overnight. Hindi talaga siya. Pero ang importante, nangyari.
Andiyan na.
Yes, nangyari na talaga. Yun
You
lang talaga.
succeeded, Jan, because you had, again, you had all the good intentions.
Yes.
And the platform is real.
Correct.
The system is working. So, hindi mahirap actually i-explain sa kung sinong skeptical spouse man. At first, they will be skeptical, but once you show them how it works, you share them kung ano yung mga nakikita natin sa loob,
yes.
They will open up. Like, magiging open-minded na rin sila.
Yes.
Eventually, makukonvert.
Yeah. Get them involved kasi doon din nila mafe-feel na ay importante din pala ako sa journey niya. So or pag meron kang victory, ay part ako niyang victory na 'yan, di ba? Parang gano'n. So let them also feel kung paano din nandun sa business na 'yon, di ba?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, talaga grabe net. I was really, really thankful na, ay salamat, na-enlighten din siya. Apart from, of course, ikaw at saka si Tito Gary na nag-enlighten sa kanya at saka yung sinama ko siya sa convention. Then he saw.
We were telling him pala dyan na, you know what, Bong? It actually for other people, like it actually, it takes someone, you will have to listen to someone else bago mag-open up yung mind mo.
Yes.
It's like an ouch, no? Kasi dapat makinig ka sa asawa mo.
Correct.
Then, more so, pag may ibang tao, mas nagiging open-minded sila.
Oo. Mas nasi-cement, ano ang tawag dyan? Mas nasi-strengthen yung kanyang belief at saka yung kanyang viewpoint dun sa ano na yon.
True.
Sa concerns niya.
Yeah.
Kasi he saw you how you have also succeeded. He saw the others na yung
kasi friends niya kami sa Facebook noon pa.
Yes.
So, nakikita niya yung aking mga
correct. So, hindi lang siya nag-iisa. Para alam mo yun, hindi lang kami nag-iisa. Marami tayo na nag-e-enjoy na ngayon sa business.
Ay, naku, ang dami natin. Diyos ko.
Yung na 240 something?
Thousand,
Thousand?
something. My
Oh.
God. And then you know what? We're excited. Oh, by the way, viewers, hindi pa naman ito final, but we're gonna go somewhere for the next convention. Somewhere far
Okay.
from Australia and New Zealand. Okay,
Yes.
abangan nyo ang announcement.
And hopefully kasama na sila.
Ay, naku, kasama talaga sila. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Ay, yung viewers natin, kasama na kayo. Kasama na kayo. Oh, it's so nice talking to you, John.
Ay,
Okay,
nice.
have you considered how your success could shift not just your finances, but your family dynamics and future together?
Ay, very
Pumasok ba
much.
sa utak niyo?
Very much, Net. Sabi ko nga, one time, sino ba yung kausap ko na sabi ko pa, di ba pag na-busy, hindi ba na-busy, pero pag involved tayo sa business natin, meron tayong mga creation ng mga statements natin, ipopost natin. So, ang nangyayari ngayon, Net, division of labor.
Oh,
So, ang chores sa bahay, medyo sasabihin niya na, sige, may meeting kayo ngayon, sige, ako na lang mag-aftercare. Di ba? Mga ganyan. Kasi
nice.
ba yung family dynamics?
That's true. Actually,
Work.
kami rin dyan, normally, kami ni Gary, our weekend starts on a Friday. Kasi 4 days lang naman, 4 days na lang siya nagwo-work as a nurse. Okay? So, wala yan siyang Friday. So anyway, pagka Friday, pagkagaling ko sa work, so date night na namin umpisa na yan. Okay. But then ngayon, sabi niya, may live kayo ni Janessa. Okay, do you want us to stay home na lang muna so you can prepare?
Ay.
Oh, sabi ko, sige nga, kasi namumroblema talaga ako dito sa mga setup ng akin. Diba the last two lives ko, hindi masyado maganda yung audio, but now, thank you dahil maayos. So yun ang sabi niya sa akin, and then he prepared food for me na. So when I came home, andyan na, sige, kumain ka na, hindi na tayo lalabas. Kasi yung mga ganong gestures ng mga spouse natin na nagsusupport, it means a lot. And then sabi niya pa, may mga friends din siya, nag-inquire through sa kanya. So, na-happy naman ako. He's involved. He's really involved.
Yeah.
He's not just like physically, actively, like with me on the camera, but siya din yun. Ever since, siya din ang aking videographer and photographer.
Diba?
Mas magaling siya dyan. Kasi pag nagpo-post, wag dyan kasi against the sun. Oh, see?
Yan ang sinasabi namin sa inyo mga kabayan na hindi kami ganyang techie talaga. We started na not knowing anything about, di ba, technology, kung paano ito mag-work, itong mga go live namin. Pero di ba, nag-learn, ang dami nating learnings, Net.
Correct. No? Alam mo, happy ako dyan kasi actually na-exercise yung utak ko. Akala ko going to retirement age na rin itong brain ko. Aba, mas gumana pa ngayon.
Yes. Kaya nga, ito nakikita ko na sa mga mata ni Papa B. Sabi ko, nakikita na rin niya ako na more confident tayo. Ako more confident. Tapos nagla-light up ako more ano ba tawag dyan? Mas buhay na buhay. Mas alive tayo.
Yeah.
Diba?
You lighten up. Tama ba yun? Tama nga.
Or nag-lighten up.
There's
correct.
Glow.
Or nagla-light up tayo pag merong mga magagandang results na nangyayari sa atin. Diba? Especially sa business. So nakikita niya yun. So, ang importante doon is nakita niya kung paano ang nagawa ng business sa atin. Yeah. Sa atin lahat. Especially during yung sa akin ng curveball ko last year, yung kay Papa. So, nakita niya kung ano yung effect sa akin, yung support ng community, yung support ng business sa akin na di ba alam mo, nakakope kami doon sa anong tawag doon? Hindi man struggle, mga uncertainties nung time na yun.
True.
Oo. Yeah. So, ngayon, siya na ang pinakamalakas kong cheerleader. Talaga, grabe, Net. Nice. Grabe. Sabi niya, magugugulan niya, Mama.
Papa B.
And ngayon, siya pa yung, sabi mo nga, siya pa yung si Gary pa nagbo-boost din sa friends mo. Ganun din si Papa Bong. Siya na yung nagkukwento about sa business. Sa mga friends. Pag meron nagtatanong sa kanya, alam mo, confident pa siya magsabi ngayon na, yes, yung business na yan, hindi kailangan ng expertise, Nox. Hindi na kailangan ng previous experience
You don't have to be an expert to start.
Yes, oo. Tapos ang sinasabi pa niya lagi, Dre, pamana yan sa mga anak nyo. Sigurado yan. Tapos ngayon, sasabihin pa niya, si Mama Jen, meron ng time sa amin ngayon. Nakakatikim na rin kami ng mga sweets at luto niya.
Yeah,
Dati
exactly.
kasi, di ba,
That's
kasi
true.
nag-work ako weekend or overtime
Correct.
pagdating sa bahay. Pagod na ngayon, you can choose to be at home and earn at the same time, di ba?
Yeah.
So, yun lang yun.
Yun,
Parang,
yun yung pinaka ah, ah, dream natin eh. It's the
yes.
time freedom.
Correct. Quality talaga.
Yes.
Sobrang quality time na kasama ang pamilya kasi 'di ba 'yun lang ang wala sa atin yung full-time tayo nga
Yeah.
nagwo-work. So 'yan ang nawawala. Ang tendency niyan nawawala yung moments, 'di ba? Yung
Exactly.
yung
So
yung
how good
family
is
time.
that? Okay,
Very
viewers, how
good.
good is that? You
Yes.
achieve time freedom, you achieve financial
Yes.
freedom. Oh my
Mm.
God, that's the life we all wanted to live, right?
True.
Saan ka pa? My God. Tapos, hindi naman
Oo.
yeah, compared to like a traditional business, the cash outlay here is not as much as yung sa brick
Mm.
and mortar kind of
Yes.
business.
True.
But kailangan meron talaga kasi
Mm.
it's not gonna be a business if you don't if there is no investment involved.
Mm, true. So, kung going back dun sa mga pagiging skeptic na wife or husband natin, alam mo, wag isipin mo na lang na they won't get it yet. Pero they will come to that. Huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa, don't lose heart kasi not everyone will understand it your way. O hindi rin nila alam ko ano yung dream mo. Sabi mo nga, Net, I always had a good intention pero oblivious si Papa B doon.
Correct.
Pero that doesn't mean na it's not worth pursuing. So you still
True.
try to, alam mo yun, ang akin lang, ang sagot lang doon is love, love, love. let love lead the way. Parang ganun. Kasi
True.
isipin mo na, para sa mga mahal ko to, para to sa family ko. I think yan ang magpupush sa'yo na, di ba, to continue communicating it to your family, to your husband, your wife, your kids, para maintindihan nila kung ano yung ginagawa mo.
Yeah.
And yung consistency mo, sabi ko nga, will always tell your story. Yun lang, consistent ka lang sa mga ginagawa
very
mo.
nice. Yeah.
Tapos makikita lang nila, di ba, yung biggest why mo. Bakit ko ginagawa ang business na to? Dahil sa inyo. Parang ganon.
Correct.
Or whatever
True.
yung reason or whatever
Yes.
goal mo.
Yes.
Tapos, and then, pag dumating yung moment na yan, na yung moment na andyan yung biggest doubter mo, na naging biggest supporter mo na
Convert
ngayon.
na. From non-believer to a believer. My God.
Yan, nakaka-proud. Di ba?
Yes.
Wag yung, anong tawag, kasi you'll be proud na hindi ka nag-antay ng approval niya muna sa akin. For example, nangyari sa akin to start chasing yung dreams mo. Pero, ang ganda kasi ng meaning nakita ni Papa B kung anong meaning ng dreams ko. Kaya doon, madali na rin niyang na-accept yung business, yung kung ano yung ginagawa ko. So, Papa B, if you're tuning in right now, ayan.
Oh, very good. Wow, I love that. It's so inspiring, John. I'm pretty sure marami sa ating viewers ngayon ang na-inspire din sa mga sinabi mo. And then, of course, hingi pa sana ako ng advice pero nasabi mo na lahat. Meron pa bang natirang advice for skeptical spouses out there?
Ang sa akin lang, Net, I will go back to my hanging question kanina na, so what if the one nag-doubt sa'yo ngayon will become your biggest cheerleader or supporter bukas? Would you still keep your dreams hidden? I hope hindi, ha? Kasi sana itong episode na to nakatulong sa inyo na enlighten kayo. Kasi sa akin, I did not. I chose na maniwala dun sa vision ko when no one else could see it. Sabi ko, parang I chose to stay consistent na nung ang dali lang sana nung time na yun na mag-quit. Kasi sabi ko, wala akong support, ako lang mag-isa nito, tinatago ko lang yung mga joys ko. Pero I chose to, sabi ko nga, love, to lead, and to trust the process. Kasi dadating din tayo dyan. Sabi ko ngayon nga, yung same hands na nag-hesitate nung time na yon, are the same hands and head and heart na tumutulong sa akin ngayon na nagbi-video ng dreams ko.
Actually, the same hands leading you forward now.
Yes, yan, maganda yan.
Wow,
And the same
imagine.
voice na alam mo, nagko-question sa akin noon na, tama ba yung ginagawa mo? Kikita ka ba dyan? Ganyan. Yun na siya ngayon, ang voice na pinaka-loud or ano tawag dyan? Pinakamalakas na nag-cheer sa akin ngayon.
Okay.
Diba?
Para bang ko sabi, sige na dyan, bumangon ka na dyan, mag-video ka na and all.
Correct. O, di ba may meeting kayo? Sige na, uwi na tayo. Tapos
Actually,
sabi ko nga,
actually dyan, ganun din si Gary. Sa Sabado, mag-film ka ngayon, may Zoom kayo. Oh.
Alam ba? Yung boost na yun ha, yung ganyang yung ganyang push sa atin, boost na yan. So sabi ko nga kahit na yung family members ba or public or friends ba natin na nagda-doubt sa atin, one day sila yung tutulong sa iyo na mag-harvest ng kung ano mang fruit na gusto mong i-harvest, 'di ba? So, wag kang mag-antay. Wag mo antayin, go take the leap now.
Actually,
kahit na alam mo magda-doubt.
Yeah. I have leads na yun ang concerns nila.
Yes.
Like, yung spouses nila are not into it yet.
Yes.
I understand fully. It's not easy because you would like to be honest to your spouses. But then, come to think of it as well, isipin nyo rin, would that make you stop from chasing your dream, or you would rather go for your dream and then alam mo pag dumating yung time para din naman sa pamilya yung ma-reap mo na harvest, diba?
Yes. Wag mong hayaan na yung others ang mag-dim dun sa light na nakikita mo na at the end of the tunnel. Parang just shine on your own. Kasi makikita nila, ikaw yung magiging living proof na, okay, this works. This business works. The process, the system works. Kasi yung dream na to, hindi naman para sa iyo lang, di ba?
No,
para sa pamilya, para sa lahat.
Yes,
so, makikita na ng friends mo, paisip mo na, ay, pag sumali ako dito, baka may masabi ang friends ko or may mga relatives ko may masabi. Hindi, kasi they're not the ones dreaming. Ikaw yung nagdi-dream.
Exactly.
At ikaw yung nakakakita nung vision na yun. Yun lang.
And
Don't
who
let it
knows,
stop you.
diba? Yung pagiging skeptical ng spouse nyo, tapos you being patient, like just talking your partner out on this business na ito. Who knows? Baka ikaw nga din, being the believer, is the instrument for your spouse to believe in the platform, believe in your vision. So pareho kayong ginawang instrument.
Yes.
Hindi lang napadali, but then in the end you will align in one vision together.
You just, parang sa akin, alam mo, tiningnan ko na lang on a positive note, na yung pagiging skeptic ni Papa B noon, naging challenge sa akin, pero it strengthened me. Alam mo, nice. Challenge siya, na, paano ko kaya to? Pero it led me to my growth, na, okay, so nag-learn din ako na paano ko ba itatakal itong ganitong concern. Diba? So,
you did a good job, Janessa. My God.
Thank you.
It's not easy, ha? Kasi imagine you're learning your business, and at the same time you're trying to walk the journey with your skeptical
parang
spouse.
Naging counselor ka sa sarili mo ba na, okay, do you do this one? This is siguro ito yung best way na kausapin mo siya. Ang maganda pa rin pala, Net, na-realize ko lang ngayon, ang maganda na ang communication nag-improve. Yung communication nyo sa relationship, sa mag-asawa, nag-improve din. Kasi now, di ba nag-open up ka ikaw, kay Tito Gary, di ba? Nag-open up ka anytime. Ang ganda rin ng harmony. Kasi wala ka nang tinatago, yung joy mo, na-share mo agad, di ba? Yun lang. Ang ganda ng positive.
Everything is just an open book. How good is that, di ba? Yun naman talaga ang gusto natin na walang tinatago. But then, balikan natin, yun na nga, hindi lahat mag-start sa ganun, but then, it will go to that stage. Patience lang. At saka, proper communication.
Correct. That's
Okay.
nice.
Wow, that was nice. Oh my God, Jan. Do you still have anything to say to our viewers or?
Wala lang. Sa akin, lagi ko sinasabi, don't be scared. Don't let fear take over kung ano yung gusto mong i-achieve sa buhay kasi you'll go nowhere pagka ganyan ang nauna. Yun
Exactly.
lang, faith over fear. And
Yeah.
you don't need to be big kaagad sa business na to kasi kami, we went through really baby steps. Yung
Yes,
baby
yes,
steps na
yes.
yun will lead
It's
you
a
to somewhere.
journey. It's a
Diba?
journey.
Oh, ang
Okay?
importante may progress. Diba?
Yes.
Oh.
Importante you show up, you do something,
Correct.
you're learning.
Mm.
So, yun yung important. You're doing something every day.
True, true. And ang sarap lang net ng feeling na nakaka-inspire every day.
Kaya nga,
Na merong bumabalik sa iyo na, oh, paano ba yan? Paano mo ginawa
it's a
yan?
good feeling because primarily dyan, ang pinaka-goal natin dito is also to help like other people
Oh,
achieve the freedom that we're enjoying, 'di ba?
yes.
So,
Mm.
yun yung pinakamasarap na feeling. And I yung pinakamasarap na feeling na natatanggap ko yung may mag-message sa akin, you inspired me a lot. And so yun
Yes.
na lang, my friends, yung mga
Oh.
friends ko dyan na nag-i-inquire, go for it.
Yes. Yes, go for it. Kasi andito kami, oh. Real people in front of you.
Kaya nga, go for it. Like, I
Yes.
know you have reasons, you have doubts, you're scared.
Yes.
We were the same. But you know what? Walay mahitabo kung sige lang tag kahadlok.
Mauman. Mauman.
Mao man, 'di ba?
Yes.
Ana gyud, we have to take the risk. If we wanna be, achieving something, we have to take the steps
Yeah,
forward.
and in anything naman 'di ba na ginahimo ninyo or himuon ninyo, you will be expecting risks, you'll always be expecting challenges. Pero why not take it? Kasi you are a strong person na we're sure, me and Monet are sure na you can do it. Kasi nagawa namin.
Yeah,
We
and
were
you will
there. Yeah.
never know unless you try.
Correct. Yes, that's it. That's it. Sabi ko
Diba?
nga, always sinasabi ko, anong tawag dito? You cannot see the road if you don't try to walk on it. 'Di ba? Mm.
True. But anyway, Jan, let's wrap it up. Okay, that was a
Yes.
very nice
It was so
conversation.
nice, net, no? Chika. That's with you.
Imagine, Diyos ko po, wala na, meant to be na talaga tayo nito. Okay, thank you very much, John, for
Thank
gracing my
you.
show. Until the next time, catch you in our Zoom.
Yeah,
And
see you.
by the way, kung merong gustong mag-connect with you, where can they reach you?
Yeah, so it's just down there, mga kabayan. It's www.janessagtpon.com. And connect with Monet too if you have any questions. Andito lang kami to answer those.
Yes, you can message us sa aming mga private and business Facebook pages. And I think John has IG as well and TikTok.
Yes.
Do you have TikTok?
Yeah, and Instagram and YouTube.
Yeah. Okay, andun ka na lahat. Ako meron akong IG but I'm not really active. Baka i-revive ko and then
Yes,
hopefully
oo.
TikTok. But anyway, guys, oh
Ang
my God,
daming
thank you very
platforms.
much. Thank you, John. I'll catch
Thank
you
you.
some other time. And viewers, thank you for hanging out with us tonight. We hope that you learned something and you were inspired by all our, the insights and the views. So, good night.
Good
Thank
night.
you.
Thank you. God
God
bless.
bless. Bye.